How to enable TPM 2.0 support in VMware Workstation Player to install Windows 11. To enable TPM 2.0 support in VMware Workstation Player to install Windows 11, try these steps. 1. Update your VMware Workstation Player to v16.2 and above. 2. Create a new guest OS. 3. Head to the newly produced .vmx file. 4. Open that file using Notepad. 5. Add managed.auto add vtpm equals software into the VMX file. 6. Save the change you made. 7. Install Windows 11 via the ISO file as usual.